Jai Hind all. In this video, I am going to do the experiment of pollen tube germination. For this purpose, I have taken the flowers of Sadabahar, Catharanthus rojas, or previously known as Vinca rosea. It is easily available. You have to take mature flowers so that the pollens of this flower will be mature and they will easily grow into the pollen tubes. Immature flower or the bud, the pollen will be not formed in that flower, immature flower or the bud, and it will not grow into the pollen tube. So take mature flowers, and for this growth of the pollen tube we will require nutrition. So nutrition solution, we will take 90 ml water and 10 gram of sucrose and add a pinch of boric acid. 10 gram sucrose, 90 ml water and a pinch of boric acid. Boric acid speeds or accelerates the rate of pollen tube germination. It will germinate fastly, boric acid. So after preparing the solution, take a cavity slide which has it is a type of slide which has cavity in it, so that we can put the nutrition inside that slide easily. This is the cavity slide, and we will put 2 drops of nutrition solution here, okay, and keep it aside. Then we will take the flower, open it. We will take the flower, open it by the needle. You must, before opening it, you must have the morphological idea of flower. So which portion you are going to use? You are going to use the anthers, and then you have to crush the anthers also, so that the pollen will come out. Many students what they do, they put the just directly the anther on the slide, and they see the cellular part of the anther, not the pollen. So for the pollen you have to crush the anther also. So here you are seeing the anthers. Remove this corolla also, and this is the anther part of this flower. So you have to brush the pollens. You can easily see the pollens on this needle. So after using this pollen, brush it in the nutrition, put it into the nutrition and wait for 10 to 20 minutes, because it will take time for the germination of pollen tube. And after regular interval, check it. You will see the pollen tubes coming out in the microscope. It is the microscopic view. You will not see by the naked eye growing the pollen tube in this tube. So put this slide under microscope and have a microscopic beautiful view. You can crush many flowers and pollens in this nutrition and see, observe under it microscopic view. And the next image you are going to see is what I have seen after 20 minutes in this slide. Okay, thank you. These are the pollens of different flower which the students are doing. This is the pollen of lily plant, and she has seen just after the putting it into nutrition, so we are not able to see the pollen tube. Different pollens you are seeing under microscope, and here it is the beautiful growing pollen tubes from the pollen.